Hey everyone, what's up guys? How are you guys doing? Okay guys, so how are you doing and how has your week been going? Alright guys, so in today's video I'm gonna be showing you an ingredient that would actually help you to clean your blood. It actually helps you to stay healthy, prevents you from sickness, and it's literally just make you stay fit. Okay, so this ingredient is actually very helpful and natural. Let me take you right into those videos so you could see all of the things that I use in here and how effective this can be in your body. Alright guys, so do not forget to thumbs up this video, subscribe to my channel, and share this video. Now let us go. Alright guys, so drink this to clean your blood and never fall sick. Look amazingly younger than your real age. Yeah, so this is an amazing ingredient. This is beetroot. It looks really black, but it's supposed to be red. Okay, this is beetroot, and this is what we're going to be using, you know, to look younger and more and then clean your blood, literally. So what I'm going to be doing here, I'm going to be peeling the beetroot. Beetroot is an amazing fruit that actually helps, or vegetable rather, that actually helps you in terms of cleaning the blood, and it also nourishes and make your skin look superb. Okay, so it's going to do two things in one. It's going to help you to clean your blood, and it's going to help you to look younger. So what you do is that you're going to be I'm going to be putting the beetroot in my blender, and you're also going to be needing garlic, guys. Garlic is one great ingredient that helps you in terms of healing. Okay, it heals a whole lot. It does a whole lot of things. It works in the liver, the kidney, and then it helps to pump out blood. It helps to pump blood really well to every part of the body. Yeah, so you really need to include garlic in your diet, and also in this drink. It's gonna be very helpful. So I'm gonna be taking 3 cloves of garlic. I'm gonna be washing it. My garlic is actually very tiny. I'm putting 3 cloves of garlic in there, and then I'm gonna be putting a little water, and then I'll blend it. Okay guys, so now it's properly blended, and this is it. So now I'm gonna be sieving that out. I'm gonna be keeping that aside, and then also we're going to be making use of grape. Okay, so this will actually clean your blood alongside with beetroot and apple, and this is actually a great remedy. Okay, it contains vitamins that keeps your body going day by day. Yeah, so it's literally going to make you stay healthy and equally keep you younger. Yeah, so what I'm going to do now is that this is how my grape looks like. Okay, in case your grape doesn't look like this, this is how our grape look like. The one I bought, it looks like this. Yeah, so I'm gonna be removing the inner part of this grape. Okay, so I'm gonna be transferring that into the blender. Okay guys, so the very next ingredient, which is actually very important and needed for this, is apple. So I have a half cut of apple here. That's actually what I'm gonna be using. Okay, so if you're actually looking forward to, you know, cleaning the blood, you need to do this. You need to take this. All right, so the next thing I will do is to cut the apple. And then I would have to be putting that into the blender. Put a little more water. What I'll do is that I'll blend it. Okay guys, so I'm done blending, and now let's see if I remove out and get rid of some of the chaff. But if you're a fan of, you know, taking this fiber, you can also try it out. So this is the grape and the apple, and this is the beetroot and garlic. So I'm going to be transferring that into a cup. And this is how it's going to be like. Okay, so use this to clean your blood, continue staying healthy, and live a happy life. Live younger. Drink this very early in the morning before you do anything, and you are going to be a happy person. Trust me, this is going to be healing you up like really good. Once in a day is fine. So guys, that's it. Go give this drink a go, and it will literally clean your blood, and it will also help you glow. It will actually make you look naturally beautiful. Yeah, no makeup, and I mean, without even makeup, you're literally going to be looking awesome. Okay, so that's it. Go give this a go. Be consistent about it. Like, repeat it again and again, and you're going to be seeing the results. Alright guys, so that's it. I'll see you again in my next video. Do not forget to give this video a like, subscribe to my channel, and share this video. And I'll see you again. Bye.